Hello and warm welcome to you again in online education. Today I am here with a new chapter of geography, chapter number 1, India, size and location. Friends, in this chapter we will discuss about location of India, size of India, India and the world, and India's neighbors. Today, first we are going to discuss about the location of India. India is totally lying into northern hemisphere. This I will show you with the help of globe. Students, all of you are aware about this imaginary line. This imaginary line is known as equator. This equator divide world into two equal parts. North to the equator it is known as northern hemisphere, and south to the equator it is known as southern hemisphere. You see, the location of India is above to equator, so we can say that India is totally lying into northern hemisphere. Now I will tell you the latitude and longitude extent of India. The mainland of India lies between the latitude of 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. This I will show you with the help of map of India. See, this is 8 degree 4 minute north, and this is 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is latitudinal extent of India. Here, this is longitudinal extent of India. 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Again I am showing to you 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is longitudinal extent of India. So we can say that India's mainland lies between the latitude of 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and in the longitude of 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Students, this is Tropic of Cancer passing into middle of India, which divide India almost into two equal parts, northern part of India and southern part of India. Tropic of Cancer passing through as many as 8 states of our country. Number 1, Gujarat. Number 2, Rajasthan. Number 3, Madhya Pradesh. Number 4, Chhattisgarh. Number 5, Jharkhand. Number 6, West Bengal. Number 7, Tripura. And number 8, Mizoram. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland of India, group of islands are lying. Into the southeast of India, here Andaman Nicobar island groups are lying into Bay of Bengal. Into the southwest of India, here Lakshadweep island groups are lying into Arabian Sea. Students, I would like to share very important information. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Indira Point is submerged into sea during the tsunami of 2004. So we can say that Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. Now we are going to discuss about the size of India. The total area of Indian landmass is 3.28 million square kilometer. It accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Now look at the figure 1.2. It is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. Just see here. India is on the 7th position with 3.28 million square kilometer. Now look at the Russia. Russia is the first largest country of the world with 17.07 million square kilometer area. Canada with 9.97 million square kilometer on 2nd position. USA is the 3rd largest country with 9.80 million square kilometer. After USA, China is there on the 4th position with 9.59 million square kilometer. And there is Brazil on the 5th position with 8.54 million square kilometer. On the 6th position, there is Australia with 7.68 million square kilometer, and India is on the 7th position with 3.28 million square kilometer. So we can say by this 3.28 million square kilometer, India is the 7th largest country in the world. With 3.28 million square kilometer area, India is on 7th position in terms of area into the world. India has land boundary of 15,200 kilometer. Total land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometer. India has a coastline of 7,516 kilometer, including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. The total length of Indian coastline is 7,516 kilometer. Into the north of India, there is a young folded mountain in the form of Himalaya. Into the east of India, there is a Bay of Bengal. Into the west of India, there is Arabian Sea. And into the south of India, there is Indian Ocean. So students, today we have discussed location of India, India entirely lies into northern hemisphere. India's latitudinal extreme is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degrees 6 minute north. India's longitudinal extent is 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Even we discuss Tropic of Cancer divide India almost into two equal parts and it passing through as many as 8 states of India: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point, which submerged into sea water during the tsunami of 2004. Now the size of India. The total area of Indian landmass is 3.28 million square kilometer. With this, we can say India is the 7th largest country in terms of area in world. India has total land boundary about 15,200 kilometer and total coastline of India is 7,516 kilometer. With this, I would like to conclude today's lecture. We will meet again into next lecture. Thank you for your cooperation.